How to make Opera GX use less RAM and memory. So let's get started.
So it's simple. What you have to do is to simply go here and to the sidebar. So if you don't have this, you can enable this by clicking here on the top right. And then you want to scroll down and then you should see the show sidebar option. Toggle this on so that this would show up. And then once you have the sidebar, you can just click here on this GX cleaner feature. And from here, you would now be able to clean right here your browser right here, which is Opera GX, just so that it would run smoothly and it would improve your optimization here on GX control. So this is where you'd want to be next. And in here, you could now limit the RAM. So in this way, you would be able to use less RAM. So as you can see in here, I have 32 gigabyte of storage for the RAM. So I could limit it to only 2.5 or maybe actually 5.0, as you can see right here. And same goes for the CPU and so on right here. So yeah, this is where you could make Opera GX use less RAM and memory by limiting it. Thank you for watching.